bring White Claw? Oh my god, could you imagine if we got out there and we realized we didn't have any White Claw? It would be like a literal disaster. Take your shoes off. Sorry, you don't wear shoes on a boat. It's like, if there's shoe marks on the boat, my dad's literally gonna murder me dead. Kyle, will you get the bow line? Ryan, will you get the stern line? PJ, will you get the front starboard side buoy? Bryce, will you push us off? North side port Seahole. Stop, I like really need to focus. This is the hardest part. Sorry, I'm just like, I hit the neighbor's boat last week, so I'm just like really on edge. You didn't get the stern line? Like, we're still attached. What the fuck, you guys?